Hello everyone and welcome back. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia with yet another video. This video is sponsored by a company called Vivi Babi, and I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that comes in the packaging as always. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button and be sure to follow everything that I linked down below if you are interested in purchasing this wig. So this is actually my first wig review in my new space. So welcome. I'm super hyped. I'm just a little bit tired because it's almost 5 and I've been at work all day. But nonetheless, we're gonna get this voiceover done. So they sent me 150% density Brazilian machine-made wig with the bang. It is 18 inches, and I'm just showing you guys how it looks on the inside. It has the 3 combs in the top and the sides, and then the 1 comb in the back as well, along with the adjustable straps. Because this is a bang wig, it's super easy to wear, so my hair's already braided. I went ahead and put on the cap that they gave me in the packaging, and I'm just popping this wig on. Now, I will say when I first put this wig on, the bang was long, but that's actually perfect. I prefer a longer bang over a shorter bang because at least if the bang's too long, you can always cut it. Just take your time, but if it's too short, then you're stuck. And I have a pretty small head, so a lot of these bang wigs are a little bit too big on me, but that's perfectly fine. But if you have a bigger size head, this might actually fit you perfectly. My head size / circumference is a 22 inch, which is pretty average, just in case you need that for reference. So here I am just playing around with the wig and the bang. And at first I was gonna try to leave it long, but I was like eating this bang almost. So I'm just going in and showing you guys how I'm going to cut this. And if you see me looking off to the side, it's because I'm looking into the mirror in my suite. And I'm just gonna go ahead, take my shears and start to cut away at this. I started in the middle first just to kind of create a guideline. And then I went from side to side. You can start wherever you prefer, but I always prefer to start in the middle just so I know how to round my hair off. So I'm looking in the mirror, but I really can't see because this bang is long. So I just put my hands where I want it to go. And now I'm just kind of peeking and I'm just gonna go ahead and follow that line straight across. And when I get towards the ends, I'm gonna slant it slightly. And then I'm just gonna keep doing that until it's to my liking. And then I'm gonna go in at the end and point cut it a bit just so it's not too blunt. Here I am just trying to hold it with my shears so I don't cut my eyelashes. I'm using my comb to hold it up just because when you're cutting like this, I have pretty long lashes and I don't want to cut my eyelashes off on accident or poke myself in the eye. So I'm just bringing the bang up a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Like I already stated previously, I will tag all of Vivi Babi's hair information in the description box below. And yeah, let's get this thing cut, honey, not the bang-yang. Before I forget, I did not cut this bang straight across only because I wanted more of a natural kind of like blended look, but you can definitely do that if you prefer. I just like mine to kind of taper off into the hair and have like a seamless blend. So that's why I'm just going in and point cutting so that way it's not too blunt and it just gives the bang a little bit of shape. Let me know if you guys noticed. I'm trying to talk a little bit slower in this video because some people say I talk too fast, but that's just how I've always been talking. I'm sorry. So I'm not talking fast, you just listening slow. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, I'm gonna finish cutting this bang, and then once I'm done, I'm just gonna put in a little bit of the Finola serum, and then I'm gonna go ahead in with my irons, and I'm going to start pressing this hair out. I was going for more of like a 90s look, so I went ahead and like hard bumped the ends, but I'm just showing you guys how it looks before I go in and do that. And now I'm just getting ready to plug everything in, put the serum in my hair, readjust this cap with the combs, and we are ready to press her out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just press this out and I'll be back in just a second. Oh, and do you guys like my custom cape? I had it made. It took 6 weeks to come in, but it was so worth the wait. I love it. It matches my website and my logo and my neon sign, which you can't really see because I shot this video and it was super bright. But I do have a dimmer switch for my neon light now. So in the next couple of videos, it's not gonna be as bright so you can actually see my name, but so far so good. Everything's trying to come along. Okay, so now I'm pretty much done pressing this out. I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of real-time action to see how this looks. I look mad dusty. I don't have any makeup on, but honestly, I just don't be feeling like wearing makeup anymore. I'm just going through this natural phase in my life where I just am accepting my beauty for what it is. And this is as good as it's going to get. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you guys like this unit. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.